India will clash with Zimbabwe in the fifth and final T20I at the Harare Sports Club on the 14th of July on Sunday. India will hope to end the series on a high, while Zimbabwe will try and upset the T20 World Cup champions. भारत ICC rankings में नंबर 1 T20I टीम है, जबकि जिम्बाब्वे नंबर 12 पे है. The Harare Sports Club has hosted 44 T20I matches, out of which the team batting first has won 26. The team batting first has won all 3 matches in the current series. However, जिस कैप्टन ने टॉस जीता है, उन्होंने फिर भी chasing prefer की है in 24 matches. The probability of winning the match after winning the toss is 54.55%. The average first innings score is 158, while the average score batting second is 139. The highest team score at the venue is India's 234 for 2 against Zimbabwe in the second T20I match of the current series, whereas the lowest total is Zimbabwe's 90 against Afghanistan in 2022. The wicket has traditionally suited the pace bowlers in Harare, but spinners ने current series में बेहतर प्रदर्शन दिया है. They have bagged 20 wickets at an average of 20.2, strike rate of 16.8, and economy of just 7.2. India might make a couple of changes to their playing 11. Tushar Deshpande may make his T20I debut, while Riyan Parag may slot in for Ruturaj Gaikwad. Zimbabwe are likely to go with an unchanged 11. India and Zimbabwe have played each other in 11 T20Is, with India winning 8 matches. Yashasvi Jaiswal has a great record for India in T20I cricket, with an aggregate of 538 runs in just 17 innings at an average of 33.6 and strike rate of 159.6. He has already hammered a ton and 450s and will be raring to go at the top of the order for India. रिंकू सिंह भारत के नए फिनिशर हैं इन T20I क्रिकेट, जिन्होंने अपना जलवा दूसरे T20I में दिखाया था. रिंकू has had a great start for India in the format. Sikandar Raza might have failed with the bat in the series, but has been the most impressive bowler for Zimbabwe with his off spin. उन्होंने विकेट्स ली हैं और restrictive bowling करी है. Blessing Muzarabani has been the most impactful fast bowler for Zimbabwe in the series and returned with 2 to 25 in the third T20I in Harare. Riyan Parag is the hot pick for India. Parag had a great season for the Royals in IPL 2024 and has a strike rate of 158.9 in all T20 cricket since the start of 2023. Khalil Ahmed is the avoid pick for India. He has a poor record in T20I cricket. Brian Bennett is the hot pick for Zimbabwe. He is a hard-hitting all-rounder who has a strike rate of 141 in T20I cricket. Tadivanashe Marumani के T20I cricket में काफी खराब रिकॉर्ड है and he is the avoid pick for Zimbabwe. India have rested a number of their top T20I players, but still are much stronger than Zimbabwe. The main difference between the two teams is in their batting prowess. Except Jaiswal and Samson to score big in the fifth T20I, India have a 75% chance of winning the match. Yashasvi Jaiswal will be a good choice for captain, while Samson a fine option for vice-captain. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11 for the India versus Zimbabwe's 5th T20I on Sunday. We have 8 players from India and 3 from Zimbabwe. Our batters include Gill, Parag, Jaiswal and Rinku Singh, while our bowlers are Muzar Rabbani, Bishnoi and Chatara. All-rounders में we have Sundar, Raza and Abhishek Sharma. Our backup players include Diane Myers as batter, Wellington Masakadza as bowler and Shivam Dubey as all-rounder.